pussy. You know, two there a long time. And no five man them as me say, they running for you, and I want to give them strength. Then some of them pussy one of them know them that bigger and want to ride up them never have no blood clot commandments. And that me soon I use a whole long bumbo clot the population. So if you violate me, oh alright, pussy your career done. Oh your career done. My friend now play you. Boom boom now play you. He now go suck on a mother. TikTok there pussy hole. And that's a beat you know. You don't realize how long you don't help my youth. When last you help my youth? When last you help a bumbo clot youth, my lad? If you not TikTok youth, they don't breathe no musical life. None. God bless that pen and say, I don't want to know batty out there. That's why I want some pussy when they hear me I can't go suck up no mother. Deep players, my original, that's why I don't want to know batty out there. Because you don't realize better to fit this. You know what all this blood clot did and I disarrange them back? Eh? You know what all this career did and I look. Check out me can call them name from blood clot, ranking king them. One of them DJ them I rise them back. You think of blood clot industries dancehall, I TikTok rise them pussy back. You carry me for me, I tell you for lie me a blood clot. TikTok rise them back. Like how TikTok rise back, ice koolio. Me not afraid to tell you, I TikTok give me back energy. No blood clot selector not play me, no producer not advise me, no videographer not take my picture, no cleaner not post me, no a TikTok me can come and go viral. And I suck on no mother. I know we do them. And yes, so no one come and yes, so no one come in. But so you them there, you tell you what beat them. That's why some of the blood clot do good. And stop to fuck with that means so we don't push you off of this blood clot that can be able to take over this, you know. You know what happened? Some of them have some platform out there like all IG, like for what they see everybody who like crosses them from IG. Who like nasty, shit house people from IG around come over here, come nasty up this bumbo clot because when they come here, they realize that they don't know nobody. They realize that so they come back and build up again. They think that they're going to run on and just get blue ticks up and get verified so and people are going to run off on their lives. So no brother, the people are loyal to who they are entertaining them. So if you don't feel like saying like Instagram all the people run on them, no, nobody trying to feel this bumbo clot over here. So all of my reporter and the ganja smoking. But not trying to feel this bumbo clot over here. This pussy I do that man, look how they never can't see me spiffing on me. I don't like them bumbo hole line man. Alright, you know what I'm blood clot report, because I feel like say, it tells you to go to a station, you know. Go to a station. I best place I can't help you, I tell you. And that me see a blood clot reaching the bad mind. I mean, I call it bad mind because of that. You know, if me have an IG platform like when me have, me now come over here and go big nothing, you know. When me have come over here suffer. Stick all the bumbo clot, they better. I know you them. No found out to come over here and start from scratch. I don't found out if you build up from scratch, that's how we run up on people. Put up 21 and over. When you type in the comments, brother. And the comments if you type, I don't know if you put up, if you type in the comments and pin it, that me video. Sniper kid, that me video. You can't pin my arm. 21 and over. So come over this thing and that. I'm going to put a long cocky bumbo clot chatting and that. But me come for fire, go on fire. And cut because them pussy wall I seen to me and tell you that nah, nobody I want to say in a man life, brother. And if you want to say brother, I'm not no youth, no youth in the bro. Bro, yo, type it, when I want to type it, let me pin it. Type it, let me pin it down. Come me can't pin no one comment for some strange reason, I don't know why. Why me can't pin no one comment? Alright, see ya. make it live. Some of them batty bum buckler people go on. And all of them watch me live at the time, brother, because they can't do it, you know. They don't have no energy in a bum buckler, them, brother. So they get up every time I return. Anything man touch a goal, brother. Tell you, because we naturally blood clot talented in the youth. I fight them, I fight out, man. That's why I'm glad for TikTok. So no matter. I tell you, no lie, yo. That's why I don't want no bag of shit up, bum buckler, Batman over here. If you ever keep it, your Batman life to yourself, yo. And stop put it on the app. Yeah, make it up stay like how you used to stay. Music and entertainment. Make it up stay like how you stay. Now put type of different thing on the app, brother. And all of them are come over here. Trust me. Hey, watch me. All of them are come over here. All of them love sweets. You soon start see some blood clot Rasta man over here. You can't believe. Some man with nephew over here. Yeah? You soon start see them over here. Because they love bumbo class sweets. You are going to see them over here. All of them. All who used to burn you out, you are going to see them over here, brother. Because now, I say, what's the Britain when they show us, they look up at the money and make over here in an hour. That the money when they can't make one stage again. You must watch. That's why you see them a draw. I draw them a draw, you know, brother. But a psychology, you know, for a pussy them a use, because they're over here, you know. Alright, let me tell you something. All of them over here. Some of them contest the water already. I say, no, sir, I can't bother with this and just stay so. And I go and watch it. Some of them have be a fake page and I watch it. Some of them brawling, they can't hold it, they go live. Some of them go live and people burn them out already and then start to be a fuck with, they don't know if you come and create. Because me say you have some man who can come and create a platform because we are the platform anywhere we go. While there are some people just can't come and follow like all of them blood clot people when they ex gang. You think they don't want to be somebody? You think they don't want to be somebody? You think everybody else? No, but two others say, just by that alone, one somebody go follow them, it's easier. Fucking idiot them. I mean, I tell them if you stop doing it, I applaud them because at least Mrs. say when I blood clot, at least you mark on yourself. So I can say, alright, I want to eat that them blood clot there. I don't have to worry about you. But all of them are over here, brother. Watch and see. Look here. Hey, I told me no one. All of them are going over here. Remember my blood clot. That look money I will Britney go show. That's why I'm going to rate Britney and stop bumbo clot deal with her because she her biggest motivation to know. Towards some people who really want to come on TikTok and want the money I make. I have trade people now. I Britney what I'm going to hear, I'm going to come forward and say, alright, you know, I'm going to try one little thing you know. If we can really make our money easy without a fear begging, you know, and a fear body out and all of them things, we are going to do that, you know, because nobody like work, as much as we like work, you know, nobody like work hard all the time, you know, brother. So a man we can use internet. If a man can go sing, can say, alright, if a man can go sing, can come keep up. For even karaoke, and people entertain and go out with that thing. Me will tell a man to do that, you don't get it twisted because I work same way. I just the body business we against better keep that in your personal space. Bumbo hole, what's all in that? You take me attention if you come make money? Every man fear make money. Every youth fear make money. And that cow we been a suffer out of this bumbo clot here. And as me say, elders they not giving no money. The elders them, we have the money, they not brought no bread. So this is why me I encourage you to make money, but me I tell you so no don't make people think that batty we make money too. And we have to be faggot like how Perry them feel like they are important man from this car, Perry them a batty man. So they might feel like they are most. Because no brother, we don't want to do them, we don't want to do them weird. And that's how we culture come down bad man. I that more tell them you. That's why I'm going to all of see a take side with a batty bomb buckler board. On a batty boy train you. Batty man money not spending up. Yeah. We can't tell me nothing. A batty man money you not spend, literally a big fee batty man money you don't want it. So you want batty business that. Sooner or later we are going to batty business. What is about RT? The one for RT? I don't tell you, let me see what I'm saying about I tell you about RT already, brother. RT is a liar revival, brother. Anything to go viral. You know, say a TikTok RT depend now. You know, say a TikTok RT depend. RT, you know I reach him now? He reading now, go on with nothing. Nobody now take no blood clot reading. You know if you have sense, you know better. Nobody know yes, nobody want to read. Remember one time when in tricky crowd, when they went to that tricky crowd with Spice, cause Spice them are idiot, you know. Spice them, if you can control Spice career, why you can't control your career? So right now everybody fits this and reading a joke thing. And one idiot girl they see I take on to reading a Stacy Bling. And I told that the girl deep in a blood clot up there, a girl on your Miss Bling. And Instagram people them together. Yeah, but I wobble she na, I wobble. But listen, no money now make man reading again. No blood clot money, nobody want no reading. Nobody want no reading. Nobody know. Cause people from LA Lewiston blood clot up your man, people stop believing and reading. They think they water down, and that's why I read LA Lewis. Anything that man they go in and show you. Yeah. From LA go show up, that's why my LA lick out pan him, but they never know so I show them I show people. So nobody no believe in no reading. Alright. Most of the gathering man them are dead out fast. As them get to gathering and then check history and go to prison. Then think they fear though. Didn't know what's a TikTok. RT did they watch. Alright, I make him you in and better. Look if you see. Look if you see all bumbo clap out right now. Alright. Look if before cap changing jars a morning time if them man then alive. A blood clot buckle. And I tell you, say, you know I no give. You're psychology. Me rich, you know. Me no want no give, you know. Nothing no want no give. And while the master that I be a give a come in. And like how me see blood clot, periscent, sweet sap, sour sap fish, sea and leaf, sour sap fish, sea and leaf, lion last night. You know, but I burn out world dog again. I bet you never hear blood and dead fire for world dog. If you hear sea and leaf, burn and die for world dog, when you look for your school, and shot the 1 dozen back claps with blood clot fish. If you ever hear see and leave, say nothing about world dog from today when tomorrow is 17 August, me earth strong. Today is 16 August. If you ever hear see and leave, say nothing more about world dog can tell him any type of mama blood clot destruction and one. And you never hear him say nothing better any money from blood clot. You never hear him another cow. You can give Batman money and tell the Batman money and tell the Batman thanks and how you appreciate it. And weapon that you world dog and watch and blood clots. And a parade with not to mind if I world dog would have tell him to do it to send him a line and see him react. I drop me see his sweet fish jump up. So I drop me see sweet fish jump on buckler up batty boy. A long time batty boy. A long time batty boy. Man as my father, but you know say me not too celebrate them. You know say me never celebrate a birthday. Cause if you know to tomorrow Marcus Garb is strong, you know. Yeah, so we always just give a thanks to your ancestors, them, the forefathers, them, you know. So I we celebrate, but give a thanks to them. You know, give a thanks. Listen, me I didn't read, yeah, cause me not tell you, you know see how long now me not come live. Cause from what the place overcast, you know, never me alone, but a piece of sickness come down from me in the fire. Me a man no sick, you know. But the place just, I do not turn no conspiracy theories for you, but I tell you, yeah, fire, me not celebrate birthday, me never celebrate a birthday, we celebrate the ancestors, them, you know. If them day, I would not celebrate the birthday, but I celebrate them for them day, you see me? Yeah, man, give a thanks here, mister, you know, for life, that, you know? Let's go and split and give thanks to Father, and I'm going to go on it, because me a boy, I go a river, you know, a river, I go on anything with them, yeah, like up on the river, you know? Yeah, man, tomorrow idea will come forward, you know? Come forward. But anyway, bad bro, watch this. As we say back to the moral story, me say, so some fish get a lion last night. I don't know if I can, you have to watch a psychology them are using, but you never hear this word dog again. Long time Batman, them are just to them get the right attention with them need. Some of them are right attention bring them out. Yeah man, the time they get the right, the time they see right attention around them, they free up. It's like them being at them dwelling place and all. So no matter brother. No like sell out in a bad man. like sell out. No like to say I youth are always straight. And some know for them boy they never got jail. If you really got jail, they don't know what we mean by holding straight, you know. No for no go through nothing, brother. Not even pro school no go. You don't know what we mean by holding straight, where you have to hold it straight. Yeah, you have to sleep on a straight bumbuckle line. You just want to two places. One on your head back and one piece of something for your hip bone and so. And you have to hold it straight. Days and months. One straight bumbuckle line. I should not do them to no rub up with man too much youth. Shit up bumbuckle batty boy, brother. You know, like sell out, brother. No found no no found no can't hold on the straight, man. I can't tell you. No found the can't hold on the straight, man. Yeah. And that's how we have to do anything because we want to say bumbuckle, you know. But anyway, you're going to can't escape a judgment, you know. So if you do certain things, we say you don't want to go back to sufferation. Better you do not suffer already. If that you prevent, if you try to say you want to do what you have to try, say you don't want to go back to our life, or you don't want to go to sufferation, you're already there. You're already there right there, so. If you do what you have to prevent that, you don't know what you are doing in life. You're already there, so. Because you should not fight yourself, so. You should have free, man, for free. You're dumb. You're free, let's do. So we tell them this blood clot, yeah. That you not understand how this world is run. Yeah. But if you know depend on this and happy and fight and I do certain things, you say no one. Never talk about eat because someone who can't find food every day I just breathing. But if you know depend on this happy and I ability to yourself and I denounce yourself and I kill no blood clot to yourself, you say you don't want to go back to sufferation and you don't want to go back to hard life. Trust me, brother, you're 10 toes deep in that already. And no one here told you no come out. And no one here told you no move. You do that, no, you don't know. You don't know for fine, you don't know. You just don't know. So then the elders have to love you with them. God bless me. All I know is say, come on. A one man try talk about you, bounty killer, no pussy. The only man we have the authority for this, any youth boy or high school you, a bounty blood clot killer, in bus all away. All in the bus in bus. All I want to fall on my hand, brother. No other artist now bus, no bumbo clot body boy. No talk down for no youth. One man with all authority for this, any bumbo old boy, because of him breed you and a bumbo clot bounty killer. None of no pussy was that come and shut out the mouth and no authority. Pussy was that come and shut out the mouth and no authority. You know when killer getting was when he dead, you know say that. And who give me rose now give to. You know see everybody who kill a boss if in a mind sharp they want then give him all type of blood clot name and want kill him. And when they say they can't kill him, we long after they say them dead out and some of them are dead out left him. At them time when you say bro you stop the artist, what kind of question that? Put some clarity on the question let me answer you. But the only man of authority for chat about bumbo clot, no artist boy. A bounty killer brother. Man, watch me now man. I'm in a bag of long talking on this because I respect the elders them. I don't want to say this but we have to talk it as it is. Because the elders I see them elders them all fight against high school youth because I have to run enough for them. So we are trying to use one blood class stone and kill every bird. Listen, the only elder in this dancehall music here, when we get authority, when me get authority, enough other people are agree with me because of him, he no found authority too. Bumbo clock, bounty killer. When a bounty killer the grade I talk about you, nobody never say nothing. Making time build up all germs and nastiness and this in your boy. make him deal with you. None of you no bust no bum buckle like you. None of you. None of you don't bust no you. Especially Rasta artists them. The Rasta artists them are some of the most greediest pussy hole them. You know how them and them fruits and vegetables and greedy. So you can't share bread, brother. You can't make you more ask the Rasta than this. I want who will want rich and just sit down on the throne. Who will want to see that CI. We can't spread the knowledge. We can't spread the wisdom. We can't spread the melody.